This is an overview of our most popular e-commerce add-ons. Payment-related add-ons and buy now, pay later systems like Lay-By and ZipPay are featured in the Payments product tour. Xero is a beautiful accounting software. Connect your online store to your accounting system and get itemized invoices for all online sales automatically sent to your accounts. Vend is a point-of-sale system for retail stores that integrates with RocketSpark for selling online and in-store and keeping your stock levels in sync. MailChimp for e-commerce means your order data and sales information syncs across to MailChimp. This way you can do intelligent automated marketing campaigns based on what your customers have purchased from your site. This also opens up the ability to do abandoned cart messaging to attract could-be buyers back to your store. TradeGecko helps stores streamline time-consuming manual processes and gain access to powerful inventory and order management tools, as well as built-in reporting, wholesale ordering, and more. Via the TradeGecko integration, other add-ons like Amazon, Etsy, and a range of shipping fulfillment software integrations also become available. GoSuiteSpot is a free platform built to streamline the shipping process and help streamline the label printing processes. Please note this is only available in New Zealand. Google Shopping is a paid advertising service from Google that promotes products from your online store in Google search results. To view all RocketSpark add-ons, go to rocketspark.com/integrations.